In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a digital pixel logo animation in After Effects. Create a new composition, anything name you like it. It will be a 1920 x 1080 and 30 frames per second. Click OK. Drag your logo to the timeline. Press S on the keyboard to adjust the scale if you need it. Right-click to layer and pre-compose. I'm name it logo and click to move all attributes, then click OK. Click away so the logo composition is not highlighted, then go up and select the rectangle tool. Click on the word fill and set to solid color and set to be white. Then click on the word stroke and set it none without any stroke. Double-click to rectangle tool and it will create the shape layer, and press P to bring up position. Move the shape layer to the left all the way off screen. Let's create a keyframe for position. I'm going to move 5 seconds forward and right-click the position and select Reset. Set Logos Track Mate from the drop-down to Alpha Mate. Let's move to indicator. You see your logo HAL. Let's go to Effect and Presets window and search for Turbulent Displays and add to the shape layer. Go to the Effect Control and set Amount 200 and Size 20 and Complexity 10. Go back to the Effect and Presets window and search for Mosaic. Add to the shape layer and going to Mosaic Effect Control to create blocks. Horizontal blocks 50 and vertical blocks 25. Select both layer and right-click to pre-compose. I'm name it Logo Reveal and click OK. Select the Logo Reveal layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate layer. Going to Effect and search Fill Effect, add to the Logo Reveal composition. We are going to set color to be white and click OK. Set the bottom Logo Reveal Track Mate to Alpha Inverted Mate, and you can see now we get this fraction of blocks. Top Logo Reveal layer forward to right side, and you can see now the fraction of blocks is a bit wider. Logo outline that we can easily hide. Go to the Effect and search Minimax Effect. Add to the Logo Reveal composition. In Effect Control, we are going to set the operation to minimum, then channel to alpha and color and set radius to 2 or 4, so depending on the type of the logo. We can select both layer and right-click any of them and pre-compose. I'm going to name this Logo Scan and click OK. Go to the project panel and drag and drop the Logo Reveal composition under the Logo Scan layer. Set the mode of the Logo Scan to Screen. Go to Effect to search CC Glass Effect. Drag to Logo Scan layer. Let's open up Surface and Effect Control. Set the property to be Alpha and Softness 1. Height -50, displacement 200. Then see your blocks are more realistic. Search for a displacement map in Effect and Presets. Also add to Logo Scan layer. I'm going to set max horizontal displacement 100 and max vertical displacement 0. Then select Displacement Map and press Ctrl+D to duplicate and set max horizontal -200. We can colorize everything using one effect and search Colorama to add Logo Scan layer. Let's open Input Phase and choose the Logo Scan and move around to change color. And drop down Open Modify Setting and uncheck Modify Alpha. We are going to search Glow Effect to stylize and add to Logo Scan layer. The first glow we are going to set glow radius to be 50. Then select the glow and press Ctrl+D to duplicate and the glow to set glow radius to be 200 and select again glow, press Ctrl+D to duplicate and for the glow 3 to set glow radius to be 500. Let's create a background, so go up to Layer and New Solid Layer. I'm going to name this background and color. Choose something that match the logo, so let's say the red color, but I'll make it really dark, say something like that. Then click OK. Click Background Layer and drag to the bottom. Your logo more realistic to use Drop Shadow and search Drop Shadow to drag the logo reveal layer and set direction according your logo, distance to be 50 and softness to be 100. Lock your logo animation where animation starts and ends. Thanks for watching this video.